How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization from here. You will see Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization is here. If you want to turn on non-Wi-Fi persistent Mac randomization, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization is turned on. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Wi-Fi non-persistent Mac randomization from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off non-persistent Mac randomization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.